Now in 2022 we have Kotikyläntie, Hembygden 7. Stekes B, hier in Espoon keskus, Espoo centrum, Espoo, Helsinki has a post region uusimman Nyland, Finland, and for some real strange reason this was finished only in 1987, even though this is early 1985. From early 1985, because it says 84 on the glass.
Yeah.
It turned 25 years old in 2020, and its number is 63776. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. And this sticker, warning sticker is insufficient finish.
Yeah.
Also deserves 2 rights here. It was delayed by 2 years. But it sounds like the machine has been upgraded in this one.
Inspected by Kiva, maintained by Espoon. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go up to the Stekes C. Danny, we have just finished the Stekes 8 That's
also.